Tutorial 13. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains how to classify an event. An event classification is preformed through the Events screen. It is only possible to classify events that have come to an end. In order to classify an event, you must choose an event from the table and click the Classify icon second from the top from the set of icons on the left side of the screen. There are two options to event classification, in case the Set User Classification by Group is selected. Setting the group from the drop-down menu, titled Main Group Classification, will assign the event to be false, ignore, other or true. In case the checkbox is not selected, the main classification can be set independently from the group classification. The classification screen has four main buttons. The False button is used to classify events as false alarms. The True button is used to classify an event as an actual warning. Using these buttons results in the system learning from the current event. The Ignore button is used to mark the event as something the system will not consider. The Other button is used to mark the event as something the system will document, but won't learn from. The User Description field at the bottom of the screen enables the user to add a description to the event. Please note that the classification screen enables us to classify several objects simultaneously. If you select several events from the Events List panel, these events will be displayed on the list located on the right side of the classification screen. If you select the checkbox to classify also events from the above list, the classification procedure will classify these events also. After the classification has been chosen, you can add notes and choose the group from the combo box, displayed next to the Event Group Classification field. After you have finished, click the bottom left button to classify the event. If you would like to update a classified event, check the Overwrite Existing Status box. The classified events will be used by the system to update the alerts limits during the learning process. The learning process is explained in Tutorial 25. Detector Auto-Tuning. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.